Hi guys, how's it? I'm Willem, one of the co-founders of Social Script Solutions, and I'm here today to show you guys our three-part marketing system. How it works, the step-by-step guide. Here we go. This is going to be a fun one. So, every client we've helped used this exact three-phase system to grow. Whether they come to us with no brand or a scattered presence, today I'll show you what the system is and how we actually do it. So let's go through it. Okay. Phase one, we get you seen. The visibility engine. So this is one of the engines we implement into your business and brand. If no one sees you, no one can buy from you. So the first step is visibility, making sure your ideal audience sees you everywhere. This is so important, guys. If they can see you everywhere, they're always on your mind. And this is how we do it. We design 90 plus pieces of content per month across four platforms. That includes reels, carousels, pins, static images, posts. We also use SEO driven blogs. We are targeting 5 to 10 strategic keywords to get organic traffic to your website. So we do all your SEO and we do SEO blogs as well. We repurpose content for maximum distribution: Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and even email. We even do it on DMs as well, if we do a DM strategy for you as well. Obviously, the repurposed content is also from YouTube to any other peer platform if you are doing YouTube. So most businesses post content. We build a machine that makes your brand unmissable. So if you're not doing content, it's so important to start with it. And we can help with that. Now, that's just one part of the system. Most companies, maybe you are doing posting, maybe you're getting seen. But then we still need to talk about phase two. We get you trusted. Visibility without trust is just noise. Once people see you, we need them to believe in you. That's what this phase is all about. So now we focus on getting you trusted. So we revamp your website to clearly show who you help, how you help them, and what makes you the authority, all while optimizing the conversion. So we'll do all that for you because we need to get that done. Then the next part is we craft authority, building reels and carousels that address your audience's pain points and position you as the expert. Most people don't do this, and that's why their content isn't helping them gain any sales. We leverage case studies, testimonials, and behind the scenes content to make your results real and relatable. This is so important, guys. I can't stress this one enough. The other one is what we do is we layer in branding consistency across all platforms to build subconscious trust. If you're on all the platforms and all of them have a consistent design, consistent branding, and all of them speak the same voice, it's not confusing. It's not like you're posting meme content on Instagram and on YouTube you're posting helpful content. All of it makes sense. All of them is in line with your brand, and that's so important to build trust. Because if they don't, if you're a different person on all platforms, no one will ever trust you. Now, for phase three, this is obviously the one that all our clients love, and this is the phase three. We get you paid, the conversion engine. Now that they see you and trust you, the last step is converting that attention into actual revenue. How we do it: we build lead magnets and landing pages designed to collect qualified leads. We write automated email sequences that nurture those leads over time, from cold to ready to buy. We manage 5 to 10K ad campaigns across Google, Meta, and LinkedIn with retargeting built in. Now, the ads are only applicable if we feel it's needed. We we obviously have that option. We have clients that need it. Obviously, if you're B2C, this is most important. But if you're B2B, we need to focus on other aspects. But we have seen that ad campaign from 5 to 10K is the most converting. Obviously, the best place to start. Like I said, better for a B2C, but we've made massive campaigns for B2B with ads as well. We provide weekly or monthly analytics reports, ROI tracking, and constant A/B testing to improve conversions. Obviously, we're doing this with your website, we're doing this with your social media, we're doing this with your ad campaigns, we're doing this with everything. We A/B test everything to get you the best conversions as possible. Literally just changing sometimes a title increases conversions by 30%. So we need to make sure we're doing this. Even though your conversions could be 80%, we can make it 90%. And that's the most important part of this layer. And this is where we turn attention into income. It's the engine behind your sales pipeline. Now, if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, this is the system. Watch that again if you need to, then book your free strategy call below, and let's map it out for your brand. Chat to you guys soon.